How to create account in Lyft. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide in how you can create a Lyft account. Now the process is quite simple. You can get the Lyft app from the Play Store or your App Store. Either if you are on iOS, you can get it from your App Store. If you are on Android, you can get it from your Google Play Store. Now here you can see I've already installed the app. Simply open up the app. Now once you open up, you'll get an interface like this as you can see on the screen. What you want to do is you want to enable the location first and then simply tap on get started option. Now here first what you want to do is you want to select the country that you are trying to log in from. I'll just select my country here. Now once you select your country, what you want to do is you want to type in your phone number. Once you have typed in your phone number here, what you want to do is simply tap on the arrow icon there and it'll send a code to your phone. Now simply wait for a few seconds and you'll get the code. As you can see, I've already got the code, and now it'll ask you to type in your first name and last name. I'll just type in my first name and then I'll type in my last name. Do similar and then simply tap on next and it'll ask you for email here. Now simply type in your email for verification. This is for verification purpose where you'll get the push-ups email. And once you type in your email, again tap on the arrow icon or the next icon, and here you can see it'll ask you for verification and it'll be sent to your email. Now in this case, what you want to do is you want to head back, or you can simply tap on not now option, but I've already got code here. Simply tap on next and you can see you'll have to accept the terms of service. Simply tap on I agree, and once you tap on it, your profile will be created. Now so this way you can create your Lyft account. If this helped you, do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.